What's up, guys? I'm gonna show you how to get free internet. Well, not free internet, like hotspots from Spectrum or Time Warner cable. So first things first, you have to go to the store. So you're gonna type in SpectrumWiFi. Get it installed. It's called TWCWiFi Finder. After that, you will open it. So that's opened. So once you open it, you can go to settings and then you go to Wi-Fi and then you look for that network. So the saved networks would be SpectrumWiFi, SpectrumWiFi-Plus, TWCWiFi, and TWCWiFi-Passport. So these are the, and you just log in with those. But you connect through the app first, so you must open the app and connect first. So the app is this app. And